Hi everyone, Laura here from Razor's Edge Hair Salon and Wig Boutique in Timmins, Ontario. Today I come to you to give you a little tutorial on working on C4 hair, getting some coils in after I just gave her a little bit of a haircut. You'll see the picture I shared, what it looked like at the beginning. So for a lot of us, I haven't worked with her kind of hair, and she's my friend, so she says, go ahead, Laura. So she explained to me that the hair really needs to be untangled so you don't have trouble untangling it afterwards. So I'm even I took sections, we just put one end in there, some black. It's actually her first time even getting a color. So we gave her a half an hour with the black on. And she told me the argan oil is the best from Marc Anthony for her hair, the shampoo, and then the conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it and then condition. Now I'm going to show you how we do the conditioning at the sink after. You can pause. Okay, so for shampooing, I'm going very lightly. I'm running my fingers through as I go, and I don't want this hair to tangle on me. And when she came in, she had texturized it a few days ago, which was straightening it a little bit, so it's easier for me. And I did a pre-cut because her hair was longer, so I took my clipper, I cut a little bit with my barber comb, and then I went in with a 6 afterwards. I'm sure I'm going to have a little bit of touch-up to do, but I wanted to get the shape in there. It's a little bit different from cutting Caucasian hair. I watched a lot of videos on cutting from hairstylists, fellow hairstylists, this kind of hair, and influencers. So I'm going to come back, show you the conditioner after. And you can see as I'm going through, I'm making sure I don't get tangling in there. I'm running my fingers in there. Okay, here I come with the argan oil hydrating conditioner from Marc Anthony. You can see I'm not shy with it. I'm running it through her hair. I'm going to take my glove off now. And Rolly, my friend, also told me she runs the comb through it at the sink to make sure that it's as untangled as it can be before she even starts working on it. I'm going to give it a few minutes. I'm just going to rinse my comb. And we're here now with the BioSilk. This is about the amount we use, and we will put it on just all over, just gently, just to say we lift it up. Look at those nice coils. Isn't that nice? There's a few that need to be retwirled. We can. What's that?
You can loosen the coils.
Okay, I can loosen them now. Okay, so she's going to show me. Like I say, this is a tutorial for me at the same time. But hopefully some hairdressers out there that have been thinking of starting to work on C hair, well, there's their chance to get a little bit of learning